So here at the Flashpoint Center at FireTech is one of our sample systems that we use that kind of shows you the various components that are part of a fire alarm and control system for a building that might be required to have such equipment under the building code or fire code. Of course, the head-end piece of equipment is our fire alarm control panel, FACU. Equipped with all the typical things that you would see in a fire alarm installation. We have our primary power supply coming in up here at the left, motherboard for the fire alarm panel, our secondary power supply, in this case consisting of rechargeable backup batteries. And then we try to simulate here in the lab the various components that a student might see out doing an inspection or a test of a fire alarm system. We have different types of detection devices such as a heat detector, a smoke detector, a manual pull station. We also here on this particular system have alarm notification devices. Now we don't make them make noise because we don't want to disturb. All these systems going off at one time would create too much noise, but we use strobes to flash and indicate an alarm notification appliance. We have a simulated sprinkler system here with a paddle type vane flow switch, a tamper switch, and a sample type duct detector that would be used in a typical installation to control a heating ventilation system in a particular real world application.